Presentation Cristina Gonzalez. Hello, my name is Cristina. I am live on the outskirts of Cali in a area surrounded by nature and fresh air as pollution is minimal. Besides that, this city offers many places to visit and enjoy a pleasant time, such as Christore, museums, and more. It is also very easy to access all other sites or small towns like Manizales, Buga, Medellin, or Buenaventura, where you can see the sea. Escape the noise and relax while listening to sounds of the waves. There is an airport located from the urban area with a large space that connects you to various cities and countries. Thank you.